Hey, I wanted to get on here real quick and let's talk about inspecting a used car before you buy it. First of all, when you buy a used car, what do you want to do? You want to read the window sticker. We're talking about a used car. Now, the FTC, the Federal Trade Commission, requires all dealers to have a buyer's guide on every used car for sale. It's usually going to contain certain information, whether it's sold as is or whether it's a warranty. That's important. So if you see a used car on the lot and it does not have a window sticker, that's a problem. That's a violation with the FTC, Federal Trade Commission. Just take a look at the used car. Check out the buyer's guide. It'll tell you if the car is as is or you got a warranty. But if the car says as is, in some cases, depends on the model of the car, depends on the year, depends on the miles, extended service contract offered on that particular vehicle. But you want to make sure you inspect that used car carefully. Check out the exterior, the body condition. Check out the panel. Check out the scratches, the dents, the rust. Check it out. Just don't let us say, okay, it's a used car. It's gonna have dents. It's gonna have rust. No, check it out. Inspect the glass. I find too many times people buy used vehicles from me and they say they notice later, oh, the windshield was cracked, or it was a line in it, or I didn't see it. Well, your job is to make sure that there's no crack or a large poke anywhere in the glass. That's your job to make sure. Because we're not going to tell you. Suspension. Walk around the vehicle to make sure it's level on the ground. You know whether the car is level on the ground, not just pay attention to suspension. You can do that without even driving the car, but you need to drive the car. Lights and lens. Take a friend so they stand outside the car to make sure the lights work and all of the lens are working. You can't do it in the car and inspect the car and put the lights on inside the car and then run outside to make sure they work. You need to take a friend to do that. The tires. You want to make sure if the car is a newer car with a lot of miles, they have new pre-owned tires. Check the tires out. That people come back and they say, well, you know, I didn't realize that the tires were bald, or that I was told I needed to get new tires. Well, that's your fault. You need to inspect the tires when you get the car. So I only had time to share a few tips with you, but it's a bunch of other things that I could have shared. But if you're watching this video, go on over to my YouTube channel, Regina, Queen of Carlos, and do what? Subscribe to my YouTube channel.